Measurement. A measuring tape is a long, thin and flexible tool that helps you measure how long something is. It has numbers and lines on it that show you the length of the thing you are measuring. A clock helps to measure the time. The clock's movement keeps the hands moving at a steady pace to accurately measure the passage of time. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 hour. There are 24 hours in one whole day. A height chart helps you measure how tall you are. The chart has numbers and lines on it that show you how many inches or centimeters tall you are. Bathroom scales are a special kind of scale that helps you measure how much you weigh. The scales have a flat surface that you stand on with your bare feet, and they show you how much you weigh. A ruler is a long, flat, straight tool with marks on it that helps you measure the length or width of things. It looks like a long stick or a flat piece of plastic or metal, and it usually has measurements in centimeters or inches. A thermometer is a tool used to measure temperature. It looks like a long, skinny stick with a small, rounded end. It measures body, room, outdoor, water and food temperature. Body. This is measured using a thermometer placed under the armpit, in the mouth, or in the ear. Room. Air is measured using a thermometer placed on a table or wall. Food is measured by a thermometer inserted into the food. Water, measured by placing a thermometer in a cup or a pool. Outdoor temperature, measured using a thermometer that is placed outside. pp. A measuring cup is a special cup used to measure the amount of liquid or dry ingredients when cooking, baking or administering medicine. Some measuring cups come in different sizes, depending on what you are measuring. A protractor is used to measure angles. You can use it to measure the angle between two lines or the angle of a shape. A tape measure is a long, thin, flexible tool used to measure length. You hold one end of the tape measure in place, then stretch it out to the other end of the object. The numbers and lines on the tape measure show you how long the object is. A caliper is a tool used to measure the distance between 2 points. You place the caliper around the object you want to measure, then close the arms until they touch the object on both sides. The numbers on the caliper show you how far apart the 2 points are, giving you an accurate measurement of the object. Kitchen scales are a tool used to measure the weight of food or ingredients in cooking and baking. You can use kitchen scales to measure ingredients like flour, sugar, or butter, to make sure you use the right amount for a recipe. A measuring jug is a special jug used to measure liquids when cooking or baking. You can use it to measure things like milk, water, or oil to make sure you use the right amount for a recipe. A blood glucose meter is a special tool used by people with diabetes to check their blood sugar levels. It measures the amount of glucose, sugar, in the blood sample and displays the result on a screen.